Hi guys, how can you add a realistic shadow in Photoshop like this? First, select your subject using the quick selection tool. Once selected, press Ctrl+J to place it on a new layer. Now hold Ctrl and click on the subject thumbnail to load the selection again. Turn eye off that layer. Select the background layer, then go to Select Modify Expand. Set the expand value to around 3 pixels, then press OK. Go to Edit Content Aware Fill and apply it to remove the subject from the background. Now you'll have a clean background. Next, select the subject layer and press Ctrl+J or drag to the plus icon to create a copy. Select this copied layer. Go to Edit and Fill. Select foreground color in Contents. Press OK. It will become black subject. Press Ctrl+D. Drag that layer 1 to the top. Select black subject layer. Go to Edit, select Perspective Warp. Add the wrap line. Now select that wrap icon. Drag and stretch the shape downward to match the direction of the shadow. This is the before, and this is the after. That's how you can create a realistic shadow effect in Photoshop.